What's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I am at Keys Motorsports. I actually got a cameraman today. I got my best buddy Eric. I'm gonna leave his Instagram handle down below. He has a mean F30 335, so y'all definitely go check that out. So today we are gonna be installing M4 mirror caps. All right. So if you need to take any of your caps off of your BMW, you want to make sure you have the correct trim toolkit. I'll put a link down in the description below to the one that I purchased off of Amazon, and you can go buy it there. So what you want to do first is you want to kind of wedge the trim tool piece right in here. So I'll start here at the edge, and you can kind of see. So if you start here at the edge, you can kind of wedge it, and then as you play around with it, you can kind of hear the pop. And then once you got it open, you just kind of want to work it a little bit. So, yeah. Oh, and then it pops right off. And that's it. Now, time to install the carbon piece. All right, so now, since we have the other piece off, let's go ahead and install the carbon piece. So it should just slide straight on. So we'll go ahead and just pop it right on. Boom. Yep, and we're done. I like the way it looks right here. Fits flush, fits good. No problems whatsoever. All right, everyone, so just installed the M4 mirror caps. Very quick, easy install. Shout out to my guy Eric again. Like I said, his Instagram handle will be down in the description below. Shout out to Brian at Keys Motorsports for supplying the M4 mirror caps. And shout out to everybody that's here at the event, man. If y'all not here, you're missing out. So that's gonna be it for this video. I hope, like I said, if you like what you seen, like, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think. My Instagram handle also be down in the description below, so you can follow me on Instagram so you can stay up to tune and stay up to date on what I'm doing, all right? So that's it for your boy James, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.